20-year-old Jordan Lyles makes his first start here at Minute Maid Park. He's made 2 starts so far, both on the last road trip, 1 in Chicago, and then last time out in San Diego. He allowed 5 hits, 4 runs in 4 innings, walked 1, struck out 3.
Tom Seaver could tell you a little bit about that.
Roll up the middle. Keppinger with a toss. There's Barmas turning. A 4-6-3 double play.
Time to be thinking punch out here.
Got it. He did get it with the curveball. And he's down on strikes. So it was first and third. Nobody out. And it's no runs, 2 hits.
If you try to send him out, then you have to offer him back to the other club, the club you drafted him from.
That's a good pitch right there.
And see, he throws that changeup to both righties and lefties. That's knock to start the game. First and second, nobody out. And then double single in the second, and the Braves failed to score in either of those innings.